Mentakasngi kalai Porturik Jembang Araja Arpulai u Deputy Commissioner Jongkari Bhoi District Warpit Upadhyaya ulawan banpli yaka CMYC umling hakabala penlong yaka exhibition day ban pen-i yaki project shna jingshna jongki khna training CMYC. Haganekasngi lawan bandon rengkat u Eric Kevin Dekhar video jongka umling CNRD block Kong Stephanie Nongbri Skill Development Officer ki officer jongki department bapher orang ba shnong ki sister lembat ki nong kitkam jongka CMYC. Hakanex ngi nakaliang ki khna training jongka CMYC kila pen-i ki jingshna jongki lengba ki jinghikai na ki CMYC kum ki sabon jingbam carpentry cake bat ki wei de bat nakaliang ki nongshna jingshna kila penchai petba halor ka jingshna jongki. Habakren hakate ke jingyalang u Arpit Upadhyaya ula ong balengba ka CMYC kalong ka jingyarap yaki khna pakinyo yaka training bakinla ban pen-i yaki sap ki phong jongki shishu ula kunturu baki khna kimdei ban pen sap e henry ki dei ban wan hakane ka jaka ban petbit elde hakikam shna jingshna.
And I would like to say that this exhibition center will go, this CM Youth Center will go a long way in harnessing the talents of the youth. And at this time when you all have a lot of energy, lot of potential, lot of things to do, a lot of creativity, the youth center provides you all those opportunities on how to develop that talent, how to make it more creative, how to instill the curiosity in you, how to divert your energy in a very positive manner. So this is a great day. I've seen how it functions. I've seen how the pilot project in Solarium also. And I wish that this kind of centers, there should be more such centers like that. This will go taken a very warm welcome by the society. I know after some time all the youth, all the kids will be here only, doing some things other here and there, and you will enjoy a lot. This center is for you, and it is your responsibility also to take it forward and to ensure that everyone is here. I would like to thank our Rangvashnam also. Firstly, it cannot happen without your support, and now since you have started this thing, I believe that you take it up forward and to ensure that all the youth, the people, the kids, the teenagers, and everyone should come here and do something. Just coming here will help you a lot, and you will find different things about yourself also. So when I went to Solarium, I remember that there was some machinery cutting or something was there, and I was feeling like I should also do, but although I could not do it, probably I'll come here sometime, do something. Carpentry is looking very interesting for me. So these are the things that I think you should all take forward, especially the students, the kids, and the youth who is present here. So at this note, I would like to thank everyone for calling me here, and I would like to congratulate also everyone for the inauguration of CM Youth Center. And I'm very sure that after some time you will realize how much important, how much required this center was. Thank you everyone.